Hello, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Profitec 300 espresso machine. After I replaced the water pump and making tune-up, it was like the water flow was really weak and was full of descale. The machine now I think it's perfect, so let's go ahead and test it. Make an espresso shot on it. I'm going to stop it on 35 seconds. It's really beautiful shot. Like, it looks perfect and tasty. Let's go ahead and test the steamer. All perfect, and now the hot water too. That works great. Thank you for watching.